one of those months that has 5 Wednesdays. So the 5th Wednesday of the month, that's the 31st of July, we've got our Leadership Development Night, and everybody's welcome to come along, where we've got guest speaker Kirk McAteer coming to share some leadership thoughts with us. That's at 7:30 on the 31st of July. Hope you can make it. Summer is fast approaching, which means we've just got one more week left of GForce and 180, which means we're going to do some special things. So GForce, we're having Tribal Wars, and 180 is going to be Oh Holy Summer Night. So there's going to be barbecue, donuts, fun and games there. But Noah's Ark has got one more week after that. If you want more details, find them on the website.
It makes our hearts sing. We're never letting go.
Bookings are now open for next year's church weekend away, and booking forms are available from the welcome desk, but please note that places cannot be reserved unless you pay your deposit. The dates for Strength Will Rise 2020 are the 29th to the 31st of May, so get those dates in your diary and come along to Kefenley Holiday Park in Mid Wales with us for Strength Will Rise 2020.
You are the peace to all the restless, to all the restless.
On Thursday the 18th of July, it's our next Excel Companions Plus meeting. So if you're a senior citizen, then you can come along at 12 noon for soup and a sandwich. There's then going to be a short service, and you can round it all off with coffee and cakes. Not only that, but you get some magic tricks performed by Christian Andre Massey. So we hope you can join us the 18th of July at 12 noon.
We're never letting go. We're never letting go.
If you want any more information about anything that goes on here, you can check out our website excelchurch.org.uk, or you can speak to one of our welcome team who are wearing the lovely lanyards on your way out. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next week for more Excel news.